Hey guys, for this video I thought we'd take a look at this DeWALT kit that I picked up, look at the pieces that come with this one, and then compare it to some other DeWALT stuff to give you a better idea of what you're getting in this kit. So this kit right here is the DCD 708C2. And what you're getting is the atomic drill, you're getting the DCB 107 charger, you're getting two 1.5 amp hour batteries, and you're getting the tool bag. So we'll save the best for last. Start with this charger. The DCB 107 has an output of 1.25 amps. That is the slowest charging of any DeWALT charger I know of. So 1.25 and a 1.5 amp hour battery, it's going to take about an hour to charge one of these batteries. Now to compare, the DCB 112 is a 2 amp hour output. The DCB 115 is a 4 amp hour output. And the DCB 118, which is the big yellow fast charger, is an 8 amp hour output. So 1.25, it's compact, it's small, but boy, that's slow. Now, when it's paired with these 1.5 amp hour batteries, these are the DCB 201, that's not too bad. But this is it's a small, you're going to use it for a drill and an impact driver, an LED light, not the big tripod light, but like a little handheld work light. If you were using a circular saw or a reciprocating saw, something like that, you really don't want to use this 1.5 amp hour battery. It's not a great battery. You notice this is a lot of economy line stuff from DeWALT. Here's another DeWALT battery. This is the DCB 203. It's a 2 amp hour battery. So 1.5, 2. And the case is almost identical. They're almost exactly the same size. The DCB 203 comes with the little fuel gauge, whatever DeWALT calls it. The 1.5 does not come with that. But you're getting two of them, so that's a good thing. Now for the drill, the Atomic series, says right on it, is their compact line. And it's kind of an economy line. You get a plastic chuck as opposed to the metal chuck, but it is a 1/2 inch drill. It has the clutch with the different settings, 2 speeds, 1 and 2. Comes with the little belt clip that you can put on either side, whichever you prefer. But let's compare that to this other DeWALT drill I have, which is also brushless, so they're both brushless. This one is the DCD 791. So first, just looking at the size, you can see the Atomic is a little bit smaller. Height-wise, I got the clip on this one, so it's hard to tell, but they're essentially the same height. So your only saving is on how long it is. The Atomic, which is DCD 708, according to my shipping scale, weighs 2 pounds, 8 ounces. And this guy, again, according to my scale, was 2 pounds, 13 ounces. So a little heavier, pretty comparable. As far as RPMs go, the Atomic maxes out at 1650, and this one 2000. The power for these is measured by unit watts out, UWO. Now that doesn't really matter as much as comparing the two numbers. So the Atomic is 340. This one is 460. One last thing you may want to consider, if we look on this guy here, you see made in USA, and we even got a sticker. Now this one, at least it doesn't say made in China, but it does say Made in Mexico down at the bottom. So for those of you who Made in USA products are important to you, the DCD 791 says it's made in America. So hopefully that helps you out if you're looking at drills or have been looking at this kit and considering it. Thanks for watching.